Hello iPhone users, let's name the animals in your gallery. So what you gotta do is you have to tap on the photos and you see this picture. You slide it up and you see the photo of your dog, and you tap on that and you can name it. I just named it Loco. I tap on done and now you see I again tapped on it on the icon of Loco. I tapped on all the photos of Loco. I can review Loco's photo. Loco does not have any more photos in my phone, so I'm gonna try it on another animal, another pet on my phone. So I'm sliding it down and finding a cat that I have in my phone. So see, this is the cat. I'm gonna name it. I slide it down. I tap on the low icon of the cat and I named her Lara. I tap on next and you see this pet name is now named as Lara, right? I again tapped on it. I tap on review photos, review more photos I can do, right? And I again tapped on it, all photos of Lara. So these are the two photos on my phone of Lara. And where did I get her? The picture was taken actually. And that's how you do it. See you in the next video. Ta-da.